Dear investors, Forex combines two words, foreign currency and exchange. This is why the Forex market is also known as currency market. Let's understand how the Forex market plays a role in tourism. When a British couple comes to visit Taj Mahal, they cannot pay the local tour guide in sterling pound. They need to pay for the tour guide, their hotel and their cab in Indian rupee. Therefore, they will have to exchange some of their pounds for rupees to enjoy the trip. Now, let's see how the Forex market plays a role in trade. When India buys military helicopters from France, India will need to pay France in euros. Therefore, the Indian government will need to exchange rupees for euros in the international currency market to pay France in their preferred currency. Now, let's see how investors and traders use currencies to grow their wealth and hedge risks. The price of currencies rise and fall in respect to other currencies. Therefore, currencies appreciate and depreciate in price just like stocks. With some well-timed trades, investors can make money on the Forex market. For instance, the price of US dollar may rise from 60 rupees to 75 rupees. In this case, a trader can buy a US dollar at 60 rupees, sell at 75 and net a profit of 15 rupees. ये बस एक एग्जाम्पल था। फॉरेक्स मार्केट में यूजुअली प्राइस स्विंग काफी छोटे होते हैं। स्मॉल प्राइस फ्लक्चुएशन से प्रॉफिट कमाने के लिए फॉरेक्स ट्रेडर्स हाई वॉल्यूम में ट्रेड करते हैं। Investors can also use currency trading to hedge risks. For example, when stock prices around the world fell in 2008 crisis, the US dollar rose in value. Do you ever wonder why this happened? Because investors thought it was a safe haven and they used their spare capital to shore up their dollar reserves. Forex trading is the largest capital market in the world. Daily trade volume exceeds $6.6 trillion. Besides individual investors, hedge funds, pension funds, large banks and other institutions are strong players in Forex market. By now you must be aware of Forex trading and how to trade in Forex. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe.